Hey fellow animators, I'm Miloš Černý. And I have some good news. You can head to my website and download this model of a prehistoric dinosaur bird from the last video, with complete rig and skin done in 3ds Max Cat animation system. You can thank Oscar Ivan Jimenez, who is the creator of this model and who gave me the permission to release this model for everybody to download. And it's completely free. However, keep in mind that it is only for educational purposes, and if you want to use the model publicly, it can only be used in a non-commercial way. Also, you need to copy-paste the text displayed on my website to attribute us both, Oscar for the model and me for the rig and skin. Just a quick thing I want to mention about the rig. I did not rig these small chains on the neck, which are in the original model. They are hidden in render also. The reason is that the chains generally are especially hard to rig and also to animate. These ones are attached on two places on top of that, which is even harder. But not that just the rigging is complex and not really suited for the tutorial of general character rigging, but because the objects are chains, it means they cannot deform or stretch, which is really a pain to do. Anyway, I just wanted to mention that for those who notices details like this and would wonder what happened. The materials of the model are done in V-Ray, by the way, so after you download the Max file, you will need V-Ray renderer for 3ds Max if you want to render it with textures. I am very glad that I got the permission to give you the model, because I have tutorials of rigging and skinning the model coming up, hopefully soon. Which means, with the model, you will be able to try those tutorials out by yourselves, and not just watch the videos. So take the opportunity by all means if you are up for it, and enjoy! A similar 3D model with full rig and skin would cost hundreds of dollars if you would want to buy it somewhere on the marketplace. So please consider supporting me with any way you would prefer if you would like me to keep doing stuff like this. Even sharing the video is a huge help. Thank you, and send me all the animations you will do with the model. I'm really curious. I am Miloš Černý and thank you for watching.